You design your dream kitchen, spend a lot of money, but after a year, things start going wrong. Stains that won't go, cabinet swelling, grout lines looking dirty. But why? Because you have chosen the wrong material. In today's video, I am going to tell you what material you should choose in order to make your kitchen low maintenance, stress-free and durable. So let's start. One of the most important decisions that you have to make is choosing the right kitchen countertop. If you're working on a budget, granite is the best option for you. Quartz is another option for you. But if you're using the light color quartz, it is not suitable for Indian kitchen countertop. So it's better you look for the darker one. The best could be the centered stone because they are the sturdiest and they are stain resistant, but it comes with a cost. If you're choosing granite had limited color option and they generally come with a dark pattern. At the time of selecting the quartz, don't choose the light color quartz because it is not stain resistant. Although you can buff it with time, but for Indian kitchen countertop, never go with white or light color quartz. The best could be the centered stone. They come in various colors and you can easily install it in your kitchen, but they come with a cost. They are expensive. So if you're looking for the economical one, granite is the best option for you. And in granite, Galaxy Black is the one option. You can also choose the carbon black or Z black for easy maintenance. Brown pearl or black pearl can also another option for you that you can choose, and they look very nice in the kitchen. Many people, they ask their carpenter to make a wonderful kitchen, but they are not sure about the material that they will be using. See, if you're making kitchen, material is very important. What you're using for the base, what you're using for the upper cabinet. For the base, wonderful option could be BWP, boiling waterproof plywood. Why plywood? Because plywood, they have better screw holding capacity than HDHMR. So always opt for BWP at the base, although it is costlier, but it is worth investment. And for the upper cabinet, you can use HDHMR. Never use MDF because MDF, they face chipping problem and it is not durable. So always use plywood at the base and HDHMR at the overhead cabinet. Never compromise with the base material. Otherwise, the base will swell, you will face termite issues and you will face chipping issues of the base. Never use louvers or HDHMR CNC panels finished with PU or Duco. Why? Because all grooves will trap oil, dust and dirt. Imagine scrubbing those every day. It's going to be a nightmare for you. Always prefer plain, clean material on the top surface. If you want flute, you can use fluted acrylic. That is a better option than this. It needs lesser maintenance than HDHMR CNC panels or louvers. But it's preferable use plain material on the top surface in order to make it maintenance free. Now let's talk about backsplash material. A lot of people install subway tiles because they look trendy. But guess what? The grout lines start turning yellow due to masala splashes and oil. And cleaning them every day is really a struggle and a task. So if you want to avoid this kind of trouble, use a proper slab. The slab that you're using on the counter, you can use it at the backsplash too, or use large pieces of tile with lesser joints. And please don't go for the film-based backsplash material. They might look good initially, but heat from cooking will make them peel off in no time. Never prefer these kind of 3D tiles at your backsplash material. They'll give your kitchen a premium look, but it is not at all functional for the Indian kitchen type. It is only functional at the space where cooking is not done, and your kitchen is not the place for that. Let's talk about sink now. What is going to be a better option for your kitchen, which is less maintenance and also give a very decent look. You can opt for brushed finish SS sink. They are easy to maintain and here scratches are less likely to be visible. You can also opt for quartz, but for Indian kitchen, I would suggest SS is the better option. You can use quartz for vegetable sink, but for the main utility area, use brushed finish SS sink. Also, for faucets, many people go for black matte faucets because they look premium. But in reality, they catch water stains and soap marks very quickly. Instead, choose brushed stainless steel or chrome finish. They are way easier to maintain. For the handles, use profile handles. They look very clean and also very easy to maintain rather than normal handles. While choosing the lighting material for your breakfast counter, because these are very difficult to clean. And for kitchen, it is not a suitable design. Design like these kind of pendant light will be a better option for your kitchen breakfast counter. So before you start renovating your kitchen, remember, choose materials that are durable, low maintenance and practical. A little planning today will save your major headache tomorrow. That's all for today's video. If you find this helpful, hit like, share this video with someone planning kitchen and don't forget to subscribe for more practical interior tips. See you in my next one. Bye.